feels amazing to follow your dreams, right? And there will be challenges along every path, every venture. The trick is really, not so much focusing on how many times you fall down, but how many times do you get back up, and how do you overcome all the challenges and obstacles that you have. Being an entrepreneur, you've got to have resilience and grit and perseverance, and that just is part of what it takes to be an entrepreneur, whether you're a woman or a man. Be working with Code Brew and their help, and having their help to turn my vision for Kiddy Swap into a reality. And it's been a journey, and we've worked well together in terms of overcoming challenges and obstacles together in terms of making my vision for Kiddy Swap a reality. So I'm very grateful for the partnership.